Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for always coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Press the notification bell in case of any updates, any video. You will be the first person to like and comment, share with your friends. Yes, so my people, I don't see come back again with another gist. This matter happen for just for inside Naija. Now this something for happen. This man one they see, so the man dey 55 years old. Wetin this man do, my people? This something go, e shock everybody, my people. This man dey 55 years old. Him name na Sule, na be the man name. This man wetin dey do, they say one day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. Him cup don full. If they don do the something, they come dey blame the devil wey sit down him own jejeje. People they'll go dey use two leg, two hands, go dey find the devil when the something come happen, and they'll come dey ask for forgiveness. The time wey they do the something, they no know say God dey o. Later they'll come say na devil na dey use them. Well, my people, this man, as I talked before, say the man dey 55 years old, and the name na Sule. Something happen for inside just for inside Naija, my people. This man wetin dey do to all those small girls, my people? Oh my God. All those children wey their mothers go send them make dem go hug something. This man, if dey do am, you know say if you come touch the one wey you no suppose to touch, that day na be say your cup go finish. Na be say your cup go full. I mean, my people, this man and him cup don full. E get one girl like that. These people wey una dey see so, these people na this man don kelewa, and all those these people wey una dey see so, just that their face, you know say they be small pikin, they never reach adult like that. Because of that one, they no fit show their face because of their future later, my people. Na this man come dey kelewa this girls wey una dey see so. E get the one wey e just do, wey e touch the community. My God, 7 years old child, my people. How you take do that one? You know say some mothers dey, my people. That is why some mothers, one dey see one naira for their pikin hand, they go like to find out why that pikin, why who give am that 1 naira. Why some mothers, they no even care. They'll just see collect the 1 naira from their pikin and see put am for inside their wallet. This mother wey God go bless, na this mother, as she come see say her pikin phone dey with her. You know say if person never start to dey use phone, you come see say your pikin get phone. No how no, if you be a good mother, parents out there, definitely you must surely ask your pikin say where you for see this kind phone. Na him pikin, him mama come ask him pikin say my pikin, where you for see this kind phone? Na he come say na Sule na him give am the phone. Na him mother come say why Sule go give you phone? And the phone name na be Teco phone like that. Na him mother come ask am say why Sule go give you phone? He come say mama, the Sule give am phone. The Sule Ikelewa. Na him mother come shout say, hey Jesus, really Ikelewa you? Na him mother, the mother of the child, come carry the pikin go police station, go report say see wetin her daughter tell her. Say see Sule, wetin Sule do. And to other parents wey Sule see dey Kelewa, now other parents dey come see come and say their daughter dey come see confirm say na so Sule, if they wan go hawk something, Sule go call them. If he call, they go give them 50 naira. They go still put am for inside pocket. All those children, they no go talk reach house. As this woman, as the woman dey bold enough to ask her daughter, because some mothers dey like that. Once they see something for their pikin hand, they no even care. They go even collect the something from their pikin hand, put am for inside their own pocket. If not be God wey use this mother, this woman, God use her to ask her own daughter. If not, maybe the man for still dey kelewa till wey the pikin go come get belle. Na the mother go report for station. From there na dem come trace Sule, and Sule come comot for that village wey dem dey, come go another place. As e na Ogbarigbe police dem come trace am go the next village wey e run go. I go put the screenshot and everything, my people, make una for see wetin I dey talk about. Na Suleman dem come trace Suleman, dem come catch Suleman. Na Suleman come dey talk say all those kind thing e no dey do am o, say e na Muslim, e na all those people wey dedicate their life to Muslim, this and that. Na Suleman come dey talk many things. Na all those children come say na lie, say Sule dey talk lie, all those kind of things. Na dem come carry all those children go hospital, go examine them whether na true say Sule really do that kind thing. Na the doctor come confirm say yes, the Sule he really do am. Hey, oh my God, man of 55 years old go dey kelewa 7 years old pikin, my people. Hey, my God, I no even know this world, wetin the world even dey turn into, my people. 55 years old man wey get mouth to talk to girls, ladies wey at least are for 30 years old. You still talk to them. If you wan kelewa them, if you no get permanent girlfriend, at least all those girls wey dey work for there, wey they go still pay them, e dey. Na some people don just dey this life, don say na small children. They just like all those small children wey they never even grow come, wey they never even get tomatoes for chest, nothing. I no know why some men dey like that, say na all those small children na dey satisfy them. I no even know, my people, because the something get as e be all the time. All those things they already come out for Nigeria. They go see arrest. I don't know whether they see they bait them, whether they all those people, whether they bail all those people, because I wish that they put them for prison. I'm not sure say all those things they will see you'll see they common like that all the time. You'll see some men though they kill one small pikin. Adults dey that country, many adults dey there wey you fit talk to, wey you fit toast. If they gree for you, you accept. If they no see gree for you, look for another person than go dey kill one another small children. All those small children now wey dey kill one, and they wan rule all those people life now. They wan rule their life, my people. They wan rule their life. The something is just getting out of hand all the time. I don't know why some men they'll just feel say that small children wey they never even know anything. Like this woman now, when something happen to, if not be say God really use this woman to ask her daughter, say where you for see phone. Maybe some mothers dey like that, they no go even ask their children. They'll just see the phone. Maybe the mother no even get phone, they go even put SIM card, or they start to the user. If not be say God really use this woman, say she has her daughter, say where you for see phone, because she know say no be she buy the phone for her daughter. Abeg, mothers out there, anything una see for una children hand, if una know say no be una buy the something for una children, make una dey ask question. I wish this pikin no talk now. Now so Sule go say give that small child belle now. Make una dey ask una children where dey for the, even say na sweet dey give them. Make una make sure say una ask una pikin say where una for see that sweet, than una just collect the sweet, una just eat am. Some mothers dey like that o. One day you see that kind thing for their children, and all those biscuits they will still collect and they will still chop am. And e no good na. If not be say God really use this woman to ask her daughter question, maybe before you know, the pikin belle don still reach 9 months. Abeg, mothers out there, parents out there, anything una see for una children hand, even sef na anything at all una know say no be una buy the something for una kids, abeg make una dey ask question. Is very good, my people. And now the Sule dey police custody now. I pray that all those kids they get justice, so that the man he go stay for prison for there. Even say na 30 years or 40 years, he go stay there because he deserve to stay there, because all those kids, they need justice. Well, my people, I need to leave you guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to support my channel. God bless you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.